Terminology. This is some basic music terminology that you should know, covering the areas of tempo, dynamics, and the elements of music, as well as a few other things. Largo, very slow. Adagio, slow. So it's slightly faster than largo. Andante, at a walking speed. Moderato, at a moderate pace. Again, this is slightly faster than andante. Allegro, fast. Vivace, very fast. When we first learned about dynamics, we learned about loud and soft, and the terms for those are forte and piano, and we have the symbols here on the left-hand side. When we wanted to get even louder than forte, we have fortissimo, and the symbol there is the FF, and it means very loud. If we want to go to very soft, we have pianissimo. The symbol for that is PP. There's also the in-between dynamics, and this is when we really want to control. We don't want to get too loud or we don't want to get too soft. So we have two more dynamic levels. We have mezzo piano, medium soft, and mezzo forte, medium loud. The term mezzo is what means medium. Crescendo, gradually get louder. Decrescendo, gradually get softer. Terminology relating to the elements of music. Melody, a musical thought or sentence. Harmony, two or more notes sounding at the same time. Rhythm and meter, the duration of sounds and the organization of beats into groups. Timbre, the unique sound of a musical instrument. It's why a trumpet sounds different than a flute when they play the exact same pitch. Texture, layers of sound. Form, this is the structure of a piece of music or how the music is put together. Expression, these are the dynamics, articulation, and tempo considerations that a performer or a composer makes to make the piece as expressive as possible. Miscellaneous terminology. DC or da capo, which means to go back to the beginning of the piece. Al fine, this means to play until marked fine. This usually goes hand in hand with the DC. So you'll see DC al fine, which means go back to the beginning of the piece and play until it's marked fine, fine meaning end. DS or del segno, which means to go back to the sign, and here you see the symbol, that is the segno symbol, and again often you have DS al fine, so you'd go back to the sign and play until fine. Fermata, hold note for longer than its normal value. Arpeggio, notes of a chord sounded one after another. Legato, to play smoothly. And staccato, playing the notes short.